Hey everybody, James coming to you here to bring you my unboxing of the iPhone XR. Now, I got the blue model version. I was going back and forth between the red and the blue, but I ultimately went with the blue one, and I also went with the 128 gigabyte model. I just kind of feel that is the best one. I think 256 is a little bit much, and 64 is definitely not enough. Now, the one thing I do like is they actually, on each box, they actually put the iPhone logo in the color that you get. So if you get red, it will shine red, blue, it will shine blue, so on and so forth. Now, when you open the box, you will get pretty much what you typically see in any unboxing. You'll get the paperwork here on the front that basically says it was made in California. And then just under that, you will get the iPhone. Now, I will say I do believe this phone is really gorgeous. I am partial to the color blue, if you couldn't tell by the name of my channel, but I think that any of the colors are great. Whether it's red, coral, whichever one you choose, they all look amazing. Now, the one other thing I do like about these phones is that because of the aluminum sides there, they can actually match the color of the aluminum to the color of your phone, which you cannot do that with the stainless steel version. And one thing I don't really like about stainless steel is it's very prone to scratches, which ends up over time looks pretty bad. Now with this phone, you are getting a 6.1-inch screen, which is right smack dab in the middle between the XS and XS Max, and you're also getting a single lens as opposed to a dual lens that you also get on the XS models. Now what I'll be doing with this phone, like I do with all my other phones, is adding a case to it, and I highly recommend you do as well, especially since the iPhone XR has that glass back. So once I tested out this phone for a couple weeks, you guys will be getting my full review of the iPhone XR. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button while you're at it. If you want to catch further videos in the future, hit that bell icon, and I'll catch you guys next time.